Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to fix ChatGPT is at capacity right now error. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to chat.openai.com and make sure you're logged in as well. Now the first step in this tutorial after opening chat.openai.com is to clear all the conversation. You can do this by hovering your mouse cursor to the left side of the website. In here, you can find the trash bin icon that says clear conversation. Just click that one. Now everything should now be cleared. Now the next step is to refresh the page. You just need to keep refreshing it until it's all good. Now to refresh the page, all you have to do is press F5 on your keyboard. Or you could click the rotating icon of the arrow on the upper left of the website. Now the other option to have this error be avoided at all times is to upgrade to Plus. All you have to do is tap on this one and then you can choose ChatGPT Plus for $20 per month. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.